Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once advised that whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak something good or keep silent. But how do we ensure that our silence or our words prevent disrespect and insults? It's not merely about power or position, it's about embodying principles that have stood the test of time. Today, we're uncovering 7 profound ways, inspired by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to gain respect in a manner that uplifts everyone around you. Let's transform respect from something you demand into something you naturally command. Number 1. Be just and fair. Being just and fair is a fundamental principle in Islam, strongly emphasized by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He warned us with the words, "People, beware of injustice, for injustice shall be darkness on the day of judgment." This powerful statement reminds us that acts of injustice can lead to severe consequences in the hereafter, casting a shadow over one's soul on a day when light represents righteousness and truth. Therefore, it's crucial that we strive to be fair in all our interactions, whether it's in business dealings, family matters, or friendships. When you practice justice, you not only align yourself with divine expectations, but also earn the respect of those around you. People are naturally drawn to and have high regard for individuals who treat others with equity and fairness. By upholding justice, you embody the moral integrity that Islam holds dear. And this integrity fosters a trustworthy and honorable reputation, both in the eyes of Allah and in the eyes of people. Number 2, show respect to earn respect. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of compassion and respect across all ages with his words. He is not one of us who does not show mercy to our young ones and esteem to our elderly. This teaching underlines the significance of treating everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their age. When you demonstrate respect, whether by listening carefully, speaking kindly, offering your seat to an elder, or engaging patiently with the young, you are not only following a key Islamic principle, but also setting an example for others. The respect you show acts like a mirror, reflecting back to you from those around you. It teaches that respect is earned through respectable actions. Actions create a cycle of mutual regard and dignity in all your interactions. Never make false promises. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, imparted a powerful lesson when he said, "It is better for a man to tell a lie than to make a promise and not fulfill it." This emphasizes the severe consequences of making commitments that one fails to keep. In Islamic teachings, being trustworthy and reliable are fundamental virtues. When you make a promise, it's not just a casual statement. It's a bond of trust that others place in you. Failing to uphold that promise can severely damage your reputation and trustworthiness. Therefore, it's crucial to think carefully before making any commitments, ensuring that you can and will fulfill them. In doing so, you demonstrate respect for others and for yourself, which in turn builds lasting respect among your peers and community. Reliability in keeping your promises makes others feel valued and strengthens your personal integrity, which are key to earning and maintaining respect. Number 3, speak truthfully and wisely. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised, "Speak a good word or remain silent." This guidance emphasizes the importance of choosing our words carefully in our daily interactions. It's crucial to speak only when we have something positive or constructive to say. This not only prevents harm, but also ensures that our words build bridges rather than burn them. When you speak, make sure your words are truthful and considerate. Ask yourself if what you're about to say is true, necessary, and kind. By communicating honestly and with wisdom, you create an environment of trust and earn the respect of those around you. People are more likely to listen and value your opinions when they know you speak with integrity and thoughtfulness. Beyond fostering respect, wise communication can diffuse potential conflicts and improve relationships. It helps in maintaining a calm and peaceful atmosphere both at home and in the workplace. Remember, words have the power to heal or hurt. By choosing to speak wisely, you contribute to the well-being of others around you. Furthermore, this practice aligns with the teachings of Islam, which place a strong emphasis on the consequences of our speech. The Prophet, peace be upon him. The Prophet also said that a believer will achieve, by his good character, the same degree of reward as he achieves by his good deeds. Therefore, let your words reflect the best of your character and beliefs. Through mindful communication, we can ensure that our words are not only heard, but also respected and valued. Number 4, strengthen your integrity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that the believer does not lie. Upholding integrity means being honest and sincere in everything you do. From the way you speak to how you act when no one is watching, it involves making the right choice, even when it's difficult, not just when it's convenient. Integrity is like a beacon that guides you. It ensures that your actions consistently reflect your values. When people see that you are a person of integrity, they trust and respect you more. Your reputation as someone who is dependable and truthful will precede you, opening doors and fostering meaningful relationships. This is why maintaining integrity in every aspect of your life not only molds a strong character, but also garners profound respect from others. Furthermore, integrity leads to a life of peace and satisfaction as you align your external actions with your internal morals. This coherence between belief and behavior not only strengthens personal resolve, but also inspires those around you. People are naturally drawn to individuals whose lives are transparent and whose words match their deeds. Thus, integrity is not just a personal virtue, but a communal beacon that lights the way for others, making your social interactions smoother and more fulfilling. Embracing this virtue wholeheartedly can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and misunderstandings into platforms for dialogue, reinforcing the importance of integrity in cultivating a respectful and dignified presence. Number 5. Let your actions speak louder than words. A beautiful saying of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, beautifully encapsulates the essence of selfless service. The most beloved of people according to Allah is he who brings the most benefit, and the most beloved of deeds according to Allah is that you bring happiness to a fellow Muslim. This profound statement underscores the importance of actions in our lives. Actions indeed speak louder than words because they leave a lasting impact on others and reflect our true intentions. Intentions and character play a pivotal role in embodying this teaching. Consider how your everyday actions can benefit others around you, whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering in your community, or simply offering a kind word to someone in need. These actions build a bridge of goodwill and understanding. They showcase the depth of your faith and the strength of your character in tangible ways that words alone cannot. When you strive to bring happiness to others, you not only uplift their spirits but also enrich your own life. The joy of giving and the act of selflessly serving create a ripple effect, enhancing the lives of others while reinforcing your own moral and spiritual growth. This practice aligns closely with the Islamic principle of compassion and is a powerful way to gain respect and admiration from others. By letting your actions speak, you demonstrate the value you uphold and invite others to experience the warmth and generosity of the Islamic spirit. Number 6. Educate yourself and others. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, profoundly declared, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." This powerful edict underscores the profound reverence Islam has for knowledge and education, positioning them as central pillars in the life of every believer. In Islamic tradition, the quest for knowledge is not merely an academic endeavor, but a sacred duty that enhances one's understanding of the divine, the universe, and humanity. Education in Islam is comprehensive and multifaceted, encompassing the acquisition of spiritual, ethical, social, and practical knowledge. This holistic approach is designed to cultivate well-rounded individuals who are not only versed in religious science, but also adept at navigating the complexities of the modern world. The pursuit of knowledge empowers individuals, enabling them to contribute wisely to their communities and to act as stewards of justice and morality in society. For Muslims, educating oneself is a lifelong journey that begins from early childhood and continues throughout one's life. It involves a continuous process of learning, reflecting, and applying. This journey isn't confined to formal education systems, but extends to self-study, mentorship relationships, and informal learning environments. Whether through reading books, attending lectures, or engaging in discussions, seeking knowledge is a noble endeavor that enriches the mind and the soul. Seminars or engaging in dialogue with scholars and peers. Every educational experience is valued. However, the pursuit of knowledge is not seen as an individualistic pursuit in Islam. It is deeply connected to the welfare of the community. Sharing knowledge is as important as acquiring it. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged his followers to disseminate knowledge, stating, "Convey from me even if it is one verse." Teaching others, whether by imparting wisdom, offering counsel, or providing educational opportunities, is considered a noble act that benefits the entire community. Number 7. Sharing knowledge can take many forms. It can be as formal as teaching in schools and universities, or as informal as tutoring children and adults in one's community. It can also be about contributing to discussions in community meetings, writing articles, or creating content online that enlightens and educates others about important issues. The benefits of this knowledge sharing are manifold. On a personal level, it enriches the teacher as much as the student, reinforcing the teacher's understanding and commitment to their values. On a societal level, it fosters a culture of educated discourse, critical thinking, and informed decision-making. Communities that value education and knowledge sharing are often at the forefront of social and technological innovation and are better equipped to face the challenges of the future. In a world where misconceptions about Islam abound, educated Muslims can play a pivotal role in bridging gaps of understanding and fostering intercultural and interfaith dialogue. By being well-versed in both Islamic teachings and worldly knowledge, they can present a more accurate and nuanced view of their faith to the wider world. The pursuit of knowledge in Islam is a divine command that holds promises of personal growth, community development, and societal advancement. By adhering to this command, Muslims not only fulfill a religious obligation, but also equip themselves to make meaningful contributions to the world. Educating oneself and sharing this knowledge with others are acts of faith and service that garner respect and facilitate positive change. The expansive role that education plays in the Islamic worldview underscores its potential to transform individual lives and entire societies, making the pursuit of knowledge not just a personal obligation, but a civilizational mission. Implementing these timeless principles, which are deeply rooted in the teachings and wisdom of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, can have a profound and positive effect on how people perceive and engage with you in your daily life. By embodying these values, you not only elevate your own character, but also contribute to creating a more respectful and harmonious environment around you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. And please share this video to help spread the message of respect and positivity to others. Until we meet again, may you be blessed with peace and goodness. Take care.